Hi and welcome to Learn with Nia. Today we're going to design a logo using Canva. So the first thing we do is type in Canva into Google and we'll see in our results there's Canva Visual Suite for everyone. So we click on that. Now we get to the Canva homepage where we can design lots of different things. Now there are two versions of Canva. There's the free version and the paid version. Now the paid version is the Pro version. I do have the Pro version. I have signed up to it. It's up to you whether you want to. There's a lot more stuff you can download. If you're going to use it a lot, then I'd recommend the Pro version. If not, then the free version will be fine for you. You don't have to sign up to the Pro version at all. You can just use the free version, which is what I'm going to do today so that I can show you how it works. Okay, so we look at our Canva homepage. It said, what will you design today? Well, we want to design a logo. So I'm going to click on Start Designing. It's asking us to sign in. I'm going to use the Google account that I created for my YouTube channel to sign up to Canva. If you want to sign in with Facebook or another email address, then you can just click there to do that. So I'm going to click Continue with Google and it's going to log me in. And here we go. So what will you be using Canva for? Teacher, small business, non-profit, charity, student, large company, personal. I'm going to just click small business. There we go. I'm going to skip because we don't really need to do it. So skip. Skip, skip. Create learning materials. Okay. Continue. Try Canva Pro for free. Here's the point where they want to sell it to you. I'm going to do skip. Or you can start a free trial. I don't want to opt into anything because, as I say, I've got another Canva account anyway. That's a Pro version, so I'm going to just leave it as it is. Okay, so we want to design a logo. We're going to use our logo for YouTube. We might use it for other social media accounts. It's the start of making our brand. So I'm going to put in logo. As you can see, there are 20,000 templates. Okay, so you can use these. Some of them are Pro. If you see something with a little crown at the side, that means it's a Pro logo. So I would suggest using one of these. Now I'm going to make my Learn with Nia logo here. So I want something quite eye-catching, something that's going to suit my brand. If you're just making a logo out of your name, then say this one. You can just have your name in there if you've got a flower shop or something. Or if your YouTube channel is about flower arranging, floristry, then you can just have the flower with your name in and the date there if you want it. There are so many options on here for logos. It's really fantastic. So I'm going to just have a little look. I want it to be a simple logo because it's going to sit in a small circle on YouTube most of the time. So it needs to be something clear, memorable, and that isn't too busy. So, okay, I think I'm going to choose a simple one. I'm going to go for this salon logo. So I'm going to click on that. Oh, it's a Pro. All right. If I was on my other account, I would be choosing that one. But I'm not. I'm on a free one. So I won't choose that one. Let's choose something that's free. This is going to be for you the thing that takes the longest, choosing your template. Okay, I'm going to try this one because there's a dark version and a light version, so I'm going to customize this template. Okay, so after you've clicked on customize this template, you will see you have two pages here. So you've got the dark version with the light text and you've got the light version with the dark text. Okay, so I'm going to change this top one first. I'm going to put Learn. I'm going to type Learn with, right? And what I'm going to do is change the size of the font. So all I do then is make it smaller and hopefully it'll go on the one line. Yes, it has. So just up here, you can change the actual font. You can change the font size. Just put something that's going to look tidy in there. Click off it and then you can move it. So I'm going to position it central. There are little lines that come up which help you line things up. So Learn with is done there, and I'm going to change that to Nia. Okay, that's pretty good. It's neat, it's simple, nice dark feel on that, and then we'll do the same here, but instead of doing it all again, I'm going to copy that, duplicate, drag it down, get rid of that word inside, drag this into the center there, and then I'm going to leave it highlighted, and I'm going to change the text color to the light color here. Now then, it says document colors. Okay, you can change the colors and add colors as you want, or there's solid colors here, but you can also click on the colors that are already in the document, which is handy. So you're not searching for exactly the same shade of, I don't know, what would you call that, like a sort of warm pebble grey, I'm guessing. So I'll click on that and it changes my text to that warm pebble grey colour. Okay, and then I'm just going to type this because it's easy enough to do. There we go. So there are my two logos. Really, really simple. If I wanted another version of that, like a more colourful version, because that is a bit bland for me. I'm more colourful than that, okay? So I'm going to do duplicate page, and I'm going to make a different version of the logo as well. So we'll have 3 versions of this logo. Okay, so I'm going to have a different colour background. So I'm going to change that background colour to something bright that I like. I'm going to go with that pink. Oh yeah, maybe a bit too much. Magenta. Ooh, love a bit of purple, me. Right, okay. We'll go with magenta and we'll make that the same colour. So see, it's added that magenta colour to my brand colours now. So I can just easily click on that. Okay. Learn with Nia. Oh, that's more like it. That's more like me. That's more like me. Yeah. So I like that one. Okay. So we have black and warm pebble grey version. We have the warm pebble grey with black text version. And we have the magenta with black text version. So we've got 3 versions of our logo. Okay. So what we're going to do now, we're happy with our logo. If we want to, we can put shadow on it, especially these ones with the dark text. We can add effects to it if we want to. So we can go to effects and we can add an outline. We can change the colour of it. We can do whatever we want. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's quite bright. Quite like it. I might do that on there as well. Oh no, doesn't work. Doesn't work. If you want to undo, Command Z on Mac, Control Z on PC. Okay, I'm going to undo all of that as well. And undo that. It's nice, just like that. Plain is nice. Okay, right. So we've got 3 versions. Okay, so we've got the dark with the light text. We've got the light with the dark text, and we've got the magenta version, which I do like. Okay, so all we do is share, and then we can click on download. We can't make it any bigger because we're not paying for Canva Pro. If you want the file size to be larger, then you do have to pay for the Pro version, okay? Remember, there's a link in the description if you want to go to that. Okay, we don't want a transparent background because we've got a nice colour in the background, and we want all pages, 3 pages there, so we will download those. It will then download as a zip file, so we'll open that. Okay, once your zip file has downloaded, you can then just double click on it if you're on Mac, and it will unzip in the same place. If you're on Windows, you can right click and unzip, and then you will have a folder here, and then you can double click, and here are your logos. So we've got the 3 versions of the logos: the dark version, the light version, and the magenta version. So how simple was that? Yes, it's a simple logo. Yes, it's made with a template, but how quick was that? you know, if you want something fancier, you can pay the pro plan and have one of those nice logos that I fancied in the first place. But we're not using the paid plan today, so we're just going to use the free logos. We've made a simple logo that's effective, that's clear, that we can use on YouTube and the social media accounts. You know, it's there ready for us now, and we can use it where we want. If we wanted a higher quality download of the logo, then obviously we'd still have to pay the pro plan. In the UK, it's about £12 a month. In the US, I will find out and put it on the screen here for you to see how much it is in the US. Like I say, if you're going to use it a lot, as I do, then I highly recommend the pro plan. If you're only going to make your logo for your YouTube channel on it, then please don't bother. Just use the free plan and you can still make a decent logo for your YouTube channel or your social media accounts or whatever you want to do. It is really easy to use Canva, and there's so many templates to choose from. You will find something you like. Okay, so in the next step, I will be using our logo that we have created today and uploading it to our new YouTube channel. And if you're following my step-by-step tutorials, then you can use your logo on your YouTube channel just like I will do in the next video. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. See you in the next one.